Why choose Raben Glass for window replacement? For a smooth and efficient window replacement that improves aesthetics and energy efficiency, professional help is necessary. Choosing a company with a strong reputation that can customize its offerings to your needs is crucial for many reasons. It not only ensures an enjoyable project experience, but also guarantees a quality installation. Things to look for when hiring a glass window replacement company. Reputation. Here at Raben Glass, our stellar reputation as a leading glass window replacement business is something we are very proud of. Our reputation for delivering outstanding service and the trust of our customers are both built on our history of routinely going above and beyond for them. Thanks to our team's extensive knowledge, we provide precise installations, which results in rave reviews and happy clients. Ability to customize. With customized solutions for a wide range of shapes, sizes, and materials, Raben Glass really shines in this area. We give you the freedom to design a one-of-a-kind, custom solution for all of your window replacement requirements. Professionalism and customer service. We always maintain open lines of communication, quickly resolving issues and delivering an excellent overall experience. To build trust and openness with our customers, our customer care staff goes out of their way to keep them informed at every stage. Customer happiness is our first priority, which is why we constantly seek feedback and strive to improve our services consistently. Warranties. Our customers can rest easy knowing that our business is fully insured and bonded, and we guarantee our work. Not only will you get first-rate window replacements from Raben Glass, but you'll also have the peace of mind that comes from knowing we're committed to doing a great job for you. What really sets us apart is our impeccable reputation, flexibility in tailoring solutions to individual needs, professionalism, and exceptional customer service. Call us now if you need a Mesa glass window replacement. Our company has over 40 years of experience in the residential and commercial glass industry. We are bonded and insured, and our work and products are guaranteed. Ready to get started? Give us a call.